Hey everyone, welcome to today's lesson on the subfields of biology. Biology is a diverse subject that helps us understand life. In this unit, we will explore the major branches of biology, some world-changing discoveries, and recognize the contribution of Ethiopian scientists to the field. Let's begin. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to list and describe the subfields of biology, classify them into pure and applied branches, discuss five major discoveries that revolutionized biology, appreciate how biology contributes to our daily lives, and then lastly, recognize some of the key contributions made by Ethiopian biologists. These objectives will guide our learning. Biology can be divided into several main branches. First, we have zoology, the study of animals, from their physical structures to their behaviors and evolution. Second, botany, the study of plants, their growth, reproduction, and role in ecosystem. And third, microbiology, the study of microscopic organisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Each of these fields explores different forms of life and plays a key role in scientific understanding. Let's go a little deeper into each of these branches. In zoology, we have sub-disciplines such as herpetology, ichthyology, ornithology, entomology. When we say herpetology, which studies reptiles and amphibians, whereas ichthyology is a sub-discipline which studies about four fish. Similar to that, we have ornithology for birds and entomology, which focuses on insects. Zoologist explores everything from animal anatomy to behavior and genetics. Botany involves studying how plants are classified, how they interact with other organisms, and how plant diseases can be treated. Botanists contribute greatly to agriculture, forestry, and environmental conservation. Microbiology includes subfields like bacteriology, mycology, virology. Uh, Bacteriology is the study of bacteria, mycology, which focuses on fungi, whereas virology is the study of viruses. Microbiologists help us understand diseases, develop medicines, and protect the environment. Pure versus applied biology. Biology can be divided into pure and applied categories. Pure biology focuses on discovering biological principles just for the sake of knowledge. For example, genetics and ecology are pure science because they help us understand how life works. On the other hand, applied biology uses this knowledge to solve real-world problems. Fields like medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology fall into this category. So, pure biology builds the foundation, and applied biology uses that foundation to benefit society. Groundbreaking discoveries in biology. The first one is the microscope. This tool allows scientists to see cells and microorganisms for the first time. It opened up an entirely new microscopic world. The second one is penicillin. Discovered by Alexander Fleming, it became the world's first antibiotic, saving millions of lives from bacterial infection. The third one, the structure of DNA, discovered by Watson and Crick, revealed how genetic information is passed from one generation to the next. Each of these discoveries had a huge impact, not only on science, but also on our health, environment, and daily lives. Contributions of discoveries. These discoveries weren't just important to scientists; they changed the world. In medicine, we now we now we now have vaccines, antibiotics, and gene therapy. In agriculture, we use biotechnology to produce crops that resist drought and pests. And in environmental science, we use biology to conserve species, restore ecosystem, and understand climate change. Biological research continues to benefit every aspect of modern life. Let's now celebrate some of our own heroes in science. Ethiopian biologists who have made remarkable contribution. Professor Yalemtsehay Mekonnen has done important research on how pesticides affect human health and also studied medicinal plants. Dr. Aklilu Lemma discovered that the strawberry plant could fight schistosomiasis, a dangerous parasitic disease, and his work saved many lives. Professor Gabisai Jetta developed drought-resistant sorghum, improving food security across Africa, and he was awarded the World Food Prize for this life-changing achievement. These scientists show us the Ethiopians can and do contribute to global science. Let's recap what we have learned today. Biology includes various subfields like zoology, botany, and microbiology. These fields can be classified into pure and applied sciences. Discoveries like the microscope, penicillin, and DNA structure changed how we understand and use biology. Biology plays a major role in improving health, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. And finally, Ethiopian scientists have made significant contribution to the global scientific community. Remember, biology is not just about studying life, it's about using that knowledge to improve life. It's your turn to think and contribute. What new discovery do you think could transform biology in the future, and how can Ethiopians use biology to solve problems like hunger, disease, or pollution? Which branch of biology are you most interested in, and why? Let's discuss and share ideas. You could be the next scientist to make a big impact.